You want to create a professional logo for your business with Illustrator? How to make a D&E logo in Illustrator for beginners. This is a simple and fantastic idea for newcomers. Creating a logo is a difficult task. But Illustrator has made this very easy. First, we will type the letter D and letter E using the Type tool on Illustrator. I have used free font, you can see its name above. Create outlines of both letters. And after that, right-click the mouse and click on the Ungroup option. Thus both the letters will be separated. Now we have to extract the duplicate copy of these two letters. For this we will go to Edit and click on Copy. Go to Edit again and click on Paste and back. So that our duplicate copy is below. And the color we will use here is light gray. After that we will expand this copy. And if set, we'll go into the path where we will increase its width. And we'll expand it again. And we'll group both the letters separately with their duplicate copy. Now we will first select the letter D. And double-click on the Rotate tool. Here we will move it at a 30-degree angle. Similarly, we will also grab the letter E with the help of the Selection tool. And double-click on the Rotate tool. And we'll select an angle of -30 for the letter E. First, we'll overlap parts of the letters D and E and group them together. Next, we'll use the Shape Builder tool, selecting the color red, to start creating our logo. The parts we color red will form the logo, and we'll delete the remaining unnecessary parts. Finally, using the Magic Wand tool, we'll select the red areas and unite them. This process will complete our logo design. Watch how to create a D&E logo in Illustrator using basic shapes, text tools, and color selection. If you want to master logo design, practice is a must. Thanks for watching.